right, we're going back to 680 to our friend Richard Southern. We're watching the stocks, which are going a little bananas this morning. Hi, Richard.
They sure are. Good morning, Mel. Wall Street actually coming off its biggest day of the year. The Dow was up 330 points yesterday, well above the 24,000-point mark, a very psychologically important level that it's never breached. It was as investors eyed progress as regards U.S. tax reform. The mood this morning, though, has soured. Dow futures are moving decidedly lower because that tax cut bill has hit a bump in the road in the U.S. Senate. The big worry is the fact that it's going to add $1.4 trillion to the U.S. federal debt. So maybe we're in for a lower open this morning. We've also got some big economic news coming up. We'll get the Canadian November jobs report later in the morning. Is this the next big industry for it to disrupt? Amazon is reportedly looking now at selling generic drugs. The online retailer reportedly meeting with several pharmaceutical companies in the States about selling generic drugs online. And of course, this has been Amazon's MO, hasn't it? Moving into an industry, undercutting prices, disrupting businesses. We'll see what happens with this generic drug story. Might be Amazon's next big get. How hot is Bitcoin right now? We've been talking a lot about it this week. It's so hot that even the Kardashians cannot keep up with it. Google Trends shows that searches for Bitcoin now outnumber searches for the Kardashians. And this isn't just a fun stat. Experts actually look at things like this to see how much money might flow into a particular investment. The fact that more people are searching for Bitcoin than keeping up with the Kardashians means that the digital currency has cracked into the pop culture realm. We could see maybe more surges for it. The price of Bitcoin this morning just a hair below the $10,000 US dollar mark. All right, tell me what you think about this now. This is maybe a job interview technique that we might one day see here in North America. A German grocery chain is experimenting with interviewing candidates in the dark. And the advantage with this is that candidates can be protected from discrimination. They can't be excluded from the application process because of their appearance. And those that have actually been interviewed in this way say they're more comfortable. So maybe job interviews in the dark might be the next big thing. And if I was interviewing Kevin Frankish for a tree selling job, I would give him that position. He's doing a very good job of it today.